Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. My dear, everyone, first of all, take out your SST book. Today, we will continue with the chapter which we had started in previous class. Chapter number 12. Our mineral resources. The name of chapter is Our Mineral Resources. In this chapter, we had discussed about minerals, that what is mineral, and after that ore, mines, and types of minerals. All these things we had discussed in previous class. Today, we will discuss about the metallic minerals. In previous class, I had taught you that there are two types of minerals: metallic mineral and non-metallic minerals. So today we will discuss about metallic minerals, that which minerals comes under metallic minerals, in which states these minerals are found, and what are the uses of these minerals. Today we will discuss about all these things. So let us start. First thing is that what is metallic mineral? Minerals that provide us metal. Minerals that provide us metal is known as metallic minerals. Okay, the minerals from which we can get the metals are known as metallic minerals. Lots of picture is over there. These are the metallic minerals: manganese, silver, zinc, nickel. Okay, these are the metallic minerals. Means from these minerals we can get the metals. Manganese is a metal, silver is a metal, nickel, zinc, these all are metals. Apart from this, iron, copper, gold, these all are also mineral. Okay, metals. Okay, they are called metals: iron, copper, gold, aluminium. Okay, these all are metals, and the minerals from which these are extracted are known as the metallic minerals. Now, uses of these metals. What are the uses of these metals? These metals are very useful for us. When you will see the things around you, you can just find that most of the things are made up of these metals only. When you will go in your kitchen, just go in your kitchen and just see, you will see the utensils over there, the cutleries over there. All these utensils or cutleries are made up of metals. You might have seen some machineries, some machines at your home. Some parts of some electronic parts you might have seen. These electronic parts are made up of metal. Then comes to the tools. Here you can see these tools you might have seen at your home. Okay. Hammer, plier, screwdriver. These all are the tools which you can see at your home. These all tools are also made up of metals. Then come to next. Here you can see this is the bridge. This bridge is also made up of metal. Leave this bridge. Just see this building. Do you know this building is also made up of metal? Iron is used to make any building. Okay. To build any infrastructure, iron is needed, and iron is what? Iron is a metal. Then come to the next one. Railway coaches. Railway coaches, it is also made up of iron. Leave railway coaches. Railway tracks you have seen. These railway tracks are also made up of metals. So these metals are very important for us. Many things we can get from these metals. Many things are made from these metals, and all the metals have their own quality. Each and every metal has its own quality. Okay, some metals are shiny, some metals are costly, some metals are available in abundance, so they are cheap. Means all the metals have their own quality. Some metal are conductor of electricity, some metals are very good conductor of electricity, some metals are bad conductor of electricity. So there is different qualities of each metal. So let us know about some metals. Okay, some metallic minerals and some metal, let us know about. Here you can see, this is the gold. It is very costly metal. Okay, it is found in India. Gold is found where? In Kolar gold mine and Hutti gold mine. Okay, and here you can see, this is the picture of gold mine. This is the gold ore. From this type of rocks gold are extracted, and these are the things made up of gold. Means ornaments. Mainly gold is used to make what? Jewelries or ornaments only. Okay, let us start with the minerals, metal. First one is iron. Iron Iron is found in abundance in Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, and Goa. These are the states where iron is found. Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, and Goa. This is the iron ore. Iron is one of the most useful metal. It is used to make utensils, machines, bridges, buildings. Okay, there are a lots of use of iron. In India, in these states, iron is found. These are the states: Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, here, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Karnataka, some parts of Maharashtra. These are the places where iron ore are found. Iron mines are there. Okay. Iron is very useful. It is commonly used in kitchen cutlery, kitchen appliances, cookware. Okay. It is also used for hospital equipments. Use of iron in daily life includes machinery and tools as well as vehicles, hulls of ship, structural elements for building, and bridges and aircrafts. These are the common uses of iron. Here you can see this bridge. This is made up of iron. Here, this is the gate or grill, you can say. Okay, on your window, this type of grills are over there. This is also made up of iron. These are the iron pipes or iron rods. Here you can see, this is the railway track made up of iron. Railway coach made up of iron. Here, when you will see any building, or if you will go to any construction site, you can find this type of structure. They are using iron to make the buildings. Here in your kitchen, when you will go, you can see the cutleries or the utensils made up of iron. So these iron is very important for us. Let's move to the next mineral, metallic mineral, that is copper. Copper. Copper is mainly found in Rajasthan and Jharkhand and some parts of Madhya Pradesh also. Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and Jharkhand are the only states involved in production of copper ore in our country. And you will see the map of India. These are the states where copper is found: Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and Jharkhand. Jharkhand is the mineral state. Almost all the minerals are found over there. So these are the states where copper is found. Most copper is used in electrical equipment such as wiring and motors. This is because it conducts both heat and electricity very well and can be drawn into wire. Okay, can uh, copper is a good conductor of electricity and it can be drawn in wire very easily. That's why copper is mainly used in wires. It also has use in constructions, for example in roofing as well as in plumbing, okay, and in industrial machineries also. These uh, copper is used. Here you can see some uses of copper. Copper coin were very popular, okay, before few years not, you can say before 50 or 60 years, these copper coins were also very popular. Nowadays we are using steel coin, but earlier we were using this copper coin. Okay, after that, these are the wires made up of copper. In wires we are using copper. Here these are the utensils. These are also utensils. These all are the uses of copper. Okay, and next one is aluminium. Aluminium is obtained from the ore which is known as bauxite. Aluminium ore is known as bauxite and it is found in Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, and Karnataka. These are the states where bauxite is found. Odisha, Gujarat, Jharkhand, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Tamil Nadu, and Madhya Pradesh are the main bauxite producing state in India. Okay, mainly it is found in Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, and Karnataka. But apart from this, Odisha, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, these are also the bauxite producing states. And you will see the map of India. The first and most important one is Jharkhand, isn't it? Jharkhand, then Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Maharashtra. These are the main states where you can get the aluminium or bauxite ore. These are the mines. These are the bauxite mines, okay, from where this aluminium is extracted. The main use of aluminium is in manufacturing of aeroplane. Aeroplanes are made up of aluminium, and utensils also you might have seen at your home. utensils made up of aluminium. These are the aluminium foil which is used to wrap the food. Okay, and these are the uh, aluminium these are also aluminium foil for keeping the food inside it. Okay, for packing, we are using it for to pack the food. So these are the main use of aluminium. Next one is gold. Gold is very costly mineral. Okay, here you can see this is the picture of Kolar gold mine. Here you can see this is also the gold mine from where gold is extracted. These are the pictures of Kolar gold mines. You can see from these mines gold is extracted. And the main use of gold is to make the ornaments. Earlier gold coin was also very popular. Okay, gold coins were in use. Here you can see gold medal in sports or in some games. We are getting the gold medals also. These are the gold coin. These are the ornaments or jewelry made up of gold. Okay, this is the main use of gold. Next one is manganese ore. Manganese ore is found in Karnataka, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Goa. This is the picture of manganese ore. Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Arunachal Pradesh and Karnataka are the major manganese ore producing states. In this map you can get all the minerals where these minerals are found. Here in index it's given copper, iron, cobalt, gold. Okay, all the name of all the minerals are given over there, and it's where these minerals are found is given. Uses of manganese. Manganese is used most commonly in steel production. Steel production, it helps to improve the strength, durability and toughness of steel. Okay, it is used to increase the strength, durability and toughness of steel. In some medicines also manganese is used. Okay, it can be used in medicine to help to support the immune system, regulate the blood circulation, blood sugar and maintain the bone regulation and reproduction. Okay, so manganese is very useful for us, for our health also. Okay, copper is also very helpful. Okay, it is very good. The water or food kept in the copper vessels are very helpful for us. So these minerals are very useful for us. In next class we will discuss about non-metals. Okay, non-metallic minerals. Till then, bye bye.